Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Lynn and welcome to Lynn's Lifestyle Living. Today I am participating in a slow cooker challenge hosted by Mrs.Vee in Kenya over at Kenya's Decor Corner. Now please be sure to check out both of these ladies' channels. They have some beautiful channels, as well as all the other participants on the playlist. So today's challenge was to prepare a meal or appetizer in your slow cooker, crock pot, or instant pot, and also list your ingredients down in your description box below. Now, as you can see, I have all my items set up on the counter over there. I won't take you through the whole process, but I'm just going to share with you what I'll be preparing in my slow cooker. So this is what I'll be preparing. This is about a 3-pound chuck roast, and I have some carrots here I'll be putting in it. I have some red potatoes I'll be putting in it. I have my onion, my pepper. I'll be using some kosher salt, some garlic cloves, some black pepper, and some beef bouillon cubes. These are beef bouillon cubes. And I have some cooking oil back there. I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. And also, I'll be using my slow cooker liner bags here. It says quick and easy cleanup. And I've used these before. They work really good. So I'll be using this. As you can see, I have one back here already in my pot. And you just line your pot with it. And once you're done, whatever you're preparing, you just lift this up and take it out and discard it. So I'll be using that. Now I'm not going to take you through the whole process, but I'll bring you back and let you see how I prepare this roast in my slow cooker. But before we get started, if you see anything you like in this video today, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Just hit that little button, it's free. And also, don't forget to hit your notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. So, if you're interested in seeing how I prepare a chuck roast in a slow cooker, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so there's all my vegetables all cut up. I actually forgot to tell you that I'll be adding some celery as well. So what you see there is some celery, some onion, some green pepper, and the garlic that I showed you. And here's my carrots, my potatoes, and there's my roast. Now, this is what I like to do before I cook my roast in a crock pot or any pot. I like to sear my roast first. So I'm going to turn the camera a little bit. Here's my cast iron skillet. I like to sear this a little bit first. Put a little brown on it before I add it into my pot. So I'm just going to add a little vegetable oil here in my skillet. And as you can see, my roast is already seasoned. And I'm going to add this in. Sorry guys, camera messed up on me. I'm going to add this in my skillet. Sorry about that. Camera fell off the tripod here. So I'm going to add my roast in the skillet here. Let it brown just a little bit. On both sides before I add it in the pot. Now, if you ask me why I'm searing this roast first, because again, it actually adds a little bit more flavor to the roast once you sear it and then put it in whatever pot that you're going to cook it in, even if you was putting it in the oven. I'm not trying to cook it here on top of the stove. I'm just searing it a little bit. Gotta get a little brown. About 10 to 15 minutes, if that long. One more time. Let it brown just a little bit more. Okay, that should be good. Now I'm going to take it and I'm going to transport it into my slow cooker. Okay guys, I'm back. So I just transferred my roast into my slow cooker here. You see? So I'm going to go ahead and add all the ingredients, which is the peppers, the onions, the celery, and the garlic. All these vegetables right in the pot. Then we got our carrots. About potatoes. I don't think I'm gonna put as many potatoes in here as I thought I needed. We won't use all of those. Okay, so the vegetables and the roast in the crock pot. And we're gonna add 3 cups of water. About 2 cups. And right in there. The roast. So about 2.5 cups of water. Lid on. As you can see, turn for about 2 to 3 hours. And it's all ready to go. I'll come back and let you see the finished product. Okay, so here's those beef bouillon cubes that I told you about. So I already made up the gravy here. So I just used some of the broth that was on my roast here and added about 3 bouillon cubes and just mixed that all together. So I'm just going to pour that right over my roast. And that's it. That is a beef chuck roast in a crock pot. So I'll come back and show you how I plate it. Okay, here's my finished product. I want to thank everybody for watching. I also want to thank Mrs.Vee in Kenya over at Kenya's Decor Corner for hosting this challenge. So until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.